Hi, this is Marijo Tinlin from the Teaching Your Toddler Show. Today, I have a different kind of show for you. I'm going to do a roundup of products that companies have sent me to review. So, I'm going to tell you a little bit about some of the products that I've been given, and I'm going to start with True Bloom. True Bloom came to me in this beautiful package. It's this little carrying case, and it is filled with things that little girls could use at like a slumber party or just for fun, a little spa day for little girls because everything is water soluble, and so it comes with with all the instructions. There's a little game that was attached to it. There's stickers. I mean, the packaging is just so pretty inside. It's filled with little um, tissue paper and all of the things like that. Again, the company is called True Bloom, and it is water-based nail polish. It comes with little nail files and stickers, waterproof nail stickers, so you can put some bling on your nails as well. And then the little bottles of nail polish are there. And again, they are water soluble, so you don't have to worry, if they spill, it's not going to ruin your carpet. It's of course that happens. I can tell you, I have a little girl. She's not a little girl anymore, but she was, and she used to get into my nail polish, and she yeah, sometimes had some fun with that. But anyway, this is a True Bloom Kids. They're from Holland, Michigan. I, of course, will put all of the product information in the show notes for you. And I believe that there's a discount code that you can get here too if this is something that's interesting for you. The next thing I wanted to show you is called Puzzles of Color. I was sent this complimentary puzzle. It's 48 pieces, absolutely beautiful artwork. You can see it's by a sister duo. They're a Black-owned company, and they are from California, I guess. And this, I guess, is from Richardson, Texas, called again Puzzles of Color LLC. Here's the card that they sent me with it. You are supporting artists of color and helping put money into their hands. And again, I have a discount code here for 15% off if this is something you're interested in. I mean, the art itself is absolutely beautiful, and I thank them for sending me this beautiful puzzle. 48 pieces, so it'd be good for, probably like a maybe an elementary student, probably like that. Um, the next thing I have to show you is this really amazing. If you guys do any kind of crafting or crafting with your kids, it's a hot glue gun. And hot glue guns can be really sketchy, right? Like they can be very, well, certainly they can be dangerous. But the best part about this is that it's got the dual setting. It's got a high temperature setting, which is for stronger bonding, wood, metal, plastic, ceramic, fabric. And then it has a low setting for things like lace, ribbon, floral, paper, tissue paper. If you're doing things like that, it's not going to like burn it. But also the great feature here too is that it turns off after 30 minutes. So you don't have to worry if you or someone in your family starts to use it and forgets to turn it off. So this is from the Surebonder Ultra Crafting and DIY Dual Temp glue gun, and they sent me some extra glue too. I'm super excited to try some crafting with this. I hope to do some holiday crafting here that we're coming into the holiday season. The holiday season being, fall. So, okay, this is great, you guys. These are they're from Echo Kids, and they're called Bouncy Eggs. And I did bounce them around, and they look, y'all, just like eggs, like literally. So here's what I did. I put these eggs because we buy brown eggs. We buy free range brown eggs from a local restorative farm. I put them in our eggs. I put all six of them in. And then my husband, I asked him to get some eggs out for something, and I didn't even really mean to set him up like this, except that I thought it was really funny. And he went to crack the egg. Usually I do all the cooking, but he went to crack the egg, and it was the bouncy ball, and then he dropped it, and it bounced all over the kitchen. It was so funny. He thought it was hilarious too. He wasn't mad at me. I don't usually do practical jokes, by the way. But anyway, these are so adorable. I mean, you could use them for a joke. Then you can also just bounce them around. They the yolks on you, it says. It's like a bouncy ball, but way more fun. And again, I'll put this in the show notes. They are from Elsewhere Unplugged LLC out of Raleigh, North Carolina, elsewhereunplugged.com. And I'll make sure you can find that. All right, the next thing I have is it's called Oh Snap, and it's a back for your phone, a grip for your phone. Oh, sorry, that I showed you the wrong side. There it is, a grip for your phone. They're actually really good with their post marketing. They have all kinds of things. They have a thing for your stand. Sorry, a stand for the little backing of your phone. Here's what I put it on my phone. It has a little backing on it. You can do the thing like, out to hold it while you're taking a picture. You can also put it on a stand so that you can watch your whatever videos and not touch your phone, which is nice. It has magnetic apparently and can be magnetized to like the fridge, I guess, if you were working on a recipe or something. It also does one of those chargers. I don't have one of those, but it does that kind of charging. I will say it was a little bit difficult to use. I'm just being honest in my assessment here. It took a little while to figure out how to get it on my phone. The instructions weren't super instructive, and also the website for some reason is not working when I was trying to like look at the Android installation, which was weird to me. So anyway, so far this is great. I like it because it's super streamlined, so you can like see how flat it is to the phone. It's not like something that pops out the back, which then it doesn't fit in my pocket or whatever. So I do like it for that standpoint. I just think that some of the instructions were a little clunky, so that's my honest assessment of that. My last thing that I'm going to show you that I've been sent recently is called Matter sandwich bags. They are compostable. They're made of plant material. So the great part about this is that you are not putting any kind of microplastics in your food when you use a material like this. I think they're great. I was sent these sandwich bags. They are compostable and earth friendly. I haven't been able to find who sent them to me, so I'm gonna have to look that up again. They do have kind of a lifespan because they're made from plants. And so, of course, they have no added PFAs, PABA-free, gluten-free, nut-free. Again, they don't have any plastics. My understanding is they don't have any plastics, so that again, it's not putting any plastics in your food, which I'm pretty strict about that. Like when I get my vegetables home, I wash them off and then I put them in glass containers. I put all my leftovers in glass containers. I try not to use any plastic containers unless it's like from the restaurant, and then we like immediately try to repackage it in something else. Anyway, so that is what I've been sent. I, again, thank all of the providers so much for everything they've given me. The last thing I'm going to show you are a couple of products that I have in a shop called Cloud Mountain Gifts. This is a shop that I created with my son, the Teaching Your Toddler Inspiration son. We have some products that are on this that you can buy. Coffee helps me tolerate people. This is a tote bag. You can get that off of there. This is my favorite, my little drink. Tell your dog I say hi. I think this might come back around as backwards. Sorry. But tell your dog I said hi is a little, it's supposed to be a wine glass, but you can use it for water. It keeps it cool. I love this glass. I use that a lot. And then it also features some artwork that my son did. He actually drew this, his little character called Patata. And then there's the female Patata, his girlfriend, I guess, or his wife. And these are all available in Cloud Mountain Gifts. Although right now my store is dormant. So if this looks interesting to you and you want to buy that, please, please, please comment or send me a note at subscribe@teachingyourtoddler.com. You can get to me from that, or my email is Marijo, Marijo at marijotinlin.com. Also, you can send me that. Send me those notes. Let me know if you like that. I will reactivate the store and we'll make sure we can get you a product or two. Okay, that is my roundup for now, for all the products that I've been sent. I hope I get sent some more because I love this. I love being able to talk to you all about these. And it's been a pleasure. So I hope you enjoyed all these ideas. Thanks so much. This has been the Teaching Your Toddler Show with Marijo Tinlin. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed today's show, please leave a 5-star review or a thumbs up so we can reach more parents like you. To be notified when new shows post, please subscribe by sending an email to subscribe@teachingyourtoddler. For more expert interviews, fun activities, and storytime podcasts, please visit our website at teachingyourtoddler.com. All of our shows are also posted as videos as well on our YouTube channel at Marijo Tinlin. Find us on Facebook at Teaching Your Toddler, X at Teaching Toddler, Instagram at Teaching Your Toddler, and make sure you check out our past shows. We have so many diverse topics. There's most likely more shows that you will enjoy. Thanks for joining us, and come back and see us again real soon.